Hello, this is Coffee doing another video for you. This is a video for a Paladin feature, the Oath of Ancients, Channel Divinity, turn the Faithless. So this is what this Paladin has. So what this does, it's like most Channel Divinities. See here, as an action, each fail fiend within 30 foot of you makes a Wisdom saving throw. On a fail, they are turned for 1 minute or until they take damage. And it explains what it is. So what I've done, with help from the community, from the Foundry Discord, I have made a macro that will automatically, when the feature is used, target every creature in 30 foot. It then forces a save from those of a specific type, being Fail Fiend. If they fail the save, it will then apply the condition turned to them. I also have it so that it also puts a little chat box, text box in the chat to say whether or not they passed or failed, because it's not done through MIDI, so you don't get the usual they passed, they failed. I'll show you. Yeah, so first things first, the Channel Divinity feature is set up exactly like this. So target is 30 foot at all enemy creatures. You can say it to creatures, doesn't matter either way. Then the utility, and I've got my macro, on use macro here. There are different ways of doing this. This is the way I've done it. May not be the most perfect one, but it works. And obviously you can also tie this to be a... so if you haven't seen this sort of thing before, it's quite simple. Here you can go your attribute and pick, so this one would be, which one is that? So that's kind of set to number 4. So if I set this as 4th value and 1, what this means is this is a mod that gives you multiple, but usually get the top 3. But when I use this feature, I'll ask if I want to consume the resource. If I say yes, it will take off the usage. But like before in previous videos, I will put the code in the video below, in the description even, so you'll see it, but we'll see it in action. So all you need to do is select your character, click this. Yes, I want to consume it, and you can see now it's targeted all enemies, leaving my ally alone. I will save. Now what you'll notice is it's not rolled 3 saves, I've rolled 2. Both of which were failed. So you can see here it tells you what the roll's for, what the DC is, and what they've rolled, and the chat message here to say that they've been turned. So we'll look at the feature first of all. So go into it, you can see that it's set for 10 rounds or until they are damaged, and other than that it has no effect. Quite straightforward. So you can see here this guy has picked up its Fey. I've just changed the type on ghouls, fiend, and the reason it's not rolled for this guy is because he's still showing as undead. So the macro is smart enough and coded in a way that it will only roll the save for those of the specific type, and it also saves. So what I'll do is I'll run it one more time so you can see. So I just remove these effects, and again if I untarget them, let's see if we get one that passes. My apologies, 1. Don't consume resource on this. Let's make them more disadvantage. I just want to pass it. Should have made my advantage really, shouldn't I? Excuse the amateurish video here. Pretend you saw nothing. Channel Divinity. Don't consume. Let's make it an advantage this time. And they're both still failed. These ghouls do not want to save. Right. Let's try like third or fourth time lucky. You don't need to see this, it's just to show you the chat message. Seriously, these are not good calls. Alright, I'm gonna keep going. The chat message just says that they've resisted it and nothing happens, that's it. But yeah, this is a quick video. The code itself is changeable. So there are obviously a couple of Paladin features that target specific enemy types. The Oath of the Ancients specifically do Fey and Fiend, so I've set it for that. And so that will be something that can be altered. You just change the type in the code. But yeah, so that's straight simple. It's taken me a while to get this one sorted because I'm still learning. However, like I said, the help from the community on the Discord is amazing. If you ever build a macro, go there, ask them. There's a bunch of people who know a lot more about JavaScript and know how it all works and how it all codes. So, yeah. I think that's it for me. Quick video. Hope you enjoy. And like I said, I'll put all the details in the description below. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.